How's it going, everyone? It's been a while since I've made a video this year. Um, Give you a little heads up of what's going on. So for the past 3 months, we've been in a drought. So all the creeks and everything have been really shallow. So I really haven't done anything fishing wise. And I did do a little bit of fishing back in July, near the July 4th weekend. And we floated for 8 hours and I got sunburned really bad. I got second-degree burns on my legs. I was out of work for 3 weeks. So that happened. I was going to record some of it, but we walked most of it because the water was so shallow, and it was supposed to have been a little float, but it ended up taking 8 hours. We didn't even do the whole entire float. We saw road and got out and we walked back to the truck for a little ways. But today we're going to try to do some fishing. I don't have my chest rig on me today. I left that in my brother's truck from kayaking. So we're going to see what we can do today and everything. Also, a little bit of update. I've actually upgraded a little bit. I'm still doing a little, sorry about the camera angle, guys, but I'm doing a little bit of, as everything is tangled up. I just pulled my poles out of my back of my truck, so give me a second and we'll get reorganized. All right, after I got my poles untangled, so my buddies and everybody's like, wow, I've always used spinning reels. Y'all seen my Lose speed stick, I think that's what it's called. This is the combo I got from Walmart. So I actually upgraded. I got the Lose Smash bait caster. I'm a little rusty with it. I'm not going to use it today and make a fool of myself because I haven't used it that much at all. Probably I've used it like 3 or 4 times, 3 or 4 days, but a few hours every day. Right now I have actually a Berkeley Chopo on it, because I was seeing a guy. I'm gonna give him a shout out, Aaron Outdoors. Check his channel out. He loves this thing. I believe he's down in Georgia, but he uses this thing kayaking and he catches like all kinds of bass on it. So go look at his video. I'll give him a shout out. He doesn't know me or anything like that, but it's just I wanted to shout out him for this because I've been wanting to try it. And anyway, so I also got some new shirts available on my merch store. Feel free to check that out. They'll be in the link will be in the description. But we're going to see what we can catch today. I'm going to see how I'm going to rig this camera up. But once Debbie came through, our water did rise. Debbie hit us last week. Today is Saturday. I'm filming this. Y'all are watching this Monday. We didn't get hit that hard. Actually, our water levels went back to normal when Debbie came through. So the water's a little bit, we're going to hit the creek here in a little while and see how bad, or they're not really up, they're just kind of murky. So we're going to try to hit a spot later on this afternoon. So we'll see what we can catch here. So we're going to try this setup and see how it works. I'm probably going to have some music or something else when I'm filming, but we'll see how it works. I'm going to try this bait caster out. I used it just a little bit ago. I think I got the filling back in, but we'll see. We'll see if they're biting any top water today. But hopefully we get our first fish today. Oh, he's going back down, but there's a turtle. Thought I'd share a little bit of that. But we're still trying to see if we can catch anything. I'm gonna put y'all back on my little thing I have set up. Nice breeze going on today. just had a fish chase my line. That's a good sign. Well, we're trying. Ain't having some luck right now. I mean, we've seen some little fish, but ain't really nothing coming after this today. Well, I've been here for a little while, and I haven't had any luck. We've had some little fish chase my line. I saw a lot of turtles and salamanders, about the normal stuff we see at this pond. We fished here before in my videos, so if y'all want to check that out, feel free to look at my videos. I'll try to post up something a little bit in the corner, but we're going to go hit up a creek spot before I end today, but we'll go from there. See you there. I'm down here at the creek now. I actually picked up a friend. Trey's with me now. We're gonna wade the creek. Actually, I was gonna do some bank fishing, and then Trey said, "Oh, I'll go." So we're gonna do down here where I caught the pike in one of my videos, and we caught a bunch of fish. Sorry about the camera; it's kind of shaded right now. We're underneath the bridge, but we're gonna get in the water. I also have my chest harness. I picked it up from my brother on the way here, so let's see what we can catch. All right, as you can tell, we're in the water. Feels lovely. I'm trying to do this. I ain't done this in forever. I tighten my damn harness up. Underneath your feet. I need to switch to a damn rooster tail. I don't think nothing's gonna eat this one, but oh, it's ways down there, dude. Down below that roll. All right, you see? I don't know if this bite or if I'm hitting bottom. All right, you see that? Them branches on them trees down there? Yeah. Yeah, that's where he's at. What Trey is referring to is one of my videos last time I dropped a big pike because my brother was with me. And he wouldn't pick the phone. So. We ain't gonna play that game. Yeah, we ain't gonna play that game. Trey's probably end up gonna catch him today. Probably. Master caster, Cody. Right now I'm using a swim bait. Well, you're using a jig head. Yeah, it's just swim bait. There ain't no jig head on it. What'd you do with it? They don't come with one. It's just a little. Come with that little minnow one? Yeah.
Got a jig inside.
Yeah, look at this thing. Woo-woo. Just a swim bait.
You got a straight tail or a paddle tail?
Pedal tail.
Let me see that thing. Hold on.
The only bad thing is about this thing is I don't
It
know.
doesn't look to be swimming right.
It doesn't, dude. This is
some
a damn Timu lure.
I don't care. Give me some. What's the slack out? Sit it down and just move it real quick. That is the worst I've ever seen.
I'm following the minnows.
Of move it. Yeah, the tail doesn't even move.
It does. It's just
you got to be running it.
Yeah. I don't know.
When you start it, you need to. You know how in the old days you would start a rooster tail that won't spin. You kind of got to jerk.
Oh yeah, like every one I've got because they're all from Timu too.
Yeah. Don't shop at Timu, people.
Yeah, don't shop at Timu. I don't know. All this stuff right here came with my tackle box that I got for Christmas. So I didn't buy none of it. And there she is. Yeah.
I have that on those days anymore. Hey, there's your sinker.
Dude, last time in my video, what we were walking down through, and
I didn't tell you. So we go to the lake last week. Dwayne's little boy Brentley wants to use my bait pole. Bait. I give it to him. He said, "I got something, Trey." I turn around. I kid you not. This kid caught a pair of sunglasses.
A pair of sunglasses.
A pair of sunglasses, and not just any sunglasses, expensive sunglasses from the bottom of the lake.
Alright, I'm gonna have to switch to rooster tail. This thing ain't gonna do nothing.
Or a minnow.
I don't know what the hell I have. I'm trying not to get hooked in the fucking back. I still haven't got one of them pole holders yet. I've been wanting to get me one.
Look there. You see that?
What?
I can't remember what they're called. Look, that's one of them birds. It's like an eagle, but
Yeah. Falcon.
No,
or hawk.
Starts with an S or something like that.
Oh. I know there's an eagle here.
That's a big old monster. You need to.
Yeah, I know there's an eagle here because I caught him on. I don't know if I can't remember if I caught him on video or not. Sorry, I'm changing baits. All right, rooster tail time. Hopefully, y'all can see that in there. Trey's getting excited over chubs because we know how well they do at the river. All right, time for me to catch a fish today. Man, look at that thing spin. This spinner is weird, dude. Like, it's sporadic. Dude, that was squishy. Very squishy. Is this squishy for you? You're a cow. Trey likes to fish really fast. It's sticking in the mud. I mean, I don't know if I'd be able to catch anything in the rapids or not. Got a squirrel. Water's still shallow even though a Debbie came through. Oh, I just got hit. Yes, I did. I just watched the flare up. All right, we're going to do a little bit of fly fishing. I know I just walked over there, but I'm going to see something. He came after it. I have like no distance on this thing. Fish on! It's the littlest fish of them all. Little guy. That's what happens when you put on like a 2-aught on a size 2 Joe fly. Like I barely have any weight to even throw. Like I have to sling this thing to get it out there. Look, Trey got one. What you got? Smallmouth?
They smoked it. I didn't even have time to feel the bite. I seen it.
Did you catch my other in the shade? It's a nice smallie.
Down here, dude.
For the creek, you know, it ain't.
You're a nice little fella.
There it goes.
Yeah, he's tucked up on the back of that brush. Good kill reverse split. I had about, I don't know, a crank or two into it. No, I've seen it. I've seen the whole lure just go to limp.
I'm catching little guys here. Hey, I caught some fish today, boys. They might be the size of a silver dollar. But we are catching some fish today. I can't, dude, like, he's no bigger than my damn finger. Like, look at this guy. Hold on. Oh, he just went away. I'm walking on down. I mean, you're fishing for the big boys. I'm fishing for whatever's gonna fucking bite. Because we all know y'all guys like to see fishing, not casting. Oh, come on, hit that summage again. That was a smallie. Oh, I know. It gets deep over there. You can normally find where to go. Oh, damn it. And he came out. Them little minnows came out of nowhere. Fish just jumped up behind me. Trey's a little rusty today. He hasn't been out very long. Oh, it's a little sun perch. Sunfish, sorry. You think I learned after last year's fishing video that I know when to call the fish. All the minnows chasing this damn thing. We might not make it all the way down to what's his name's house.
Fishing's a damn good fly. You might as well just scream on your video on perch fishing.
You'd be surprised what you can catch with a Joe fly.
I didn't say you wouldn't. But 99% of those catches are going to be the size of your fucking hand.
Hey, all the viewers like it's just people catching fish. They don't care what the fish is. Right. That's what y'all come to watch videos for, to catch fish. I can't get all the way down there, dude. This thing weighs like a 0.5 ounces.
Hold the bait caster, act like you know what you're doing.
It's the same one I have. I just showed y'all this morning, or this afternoon.
I just lost him on the drop. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
I literally lost that fish on the drop.
Dude, that thing's got like a size 2 hook on it.
Well, it's not even a size 2, I don't think.
Look at this. Have you seen? Did you see it? Look at that.
It's got to be a smallmouth over there, because it's the only thing I know that it gets that excited to come hit it.
Must have been up by you. Okay. The thing about this place is once you start catching fish in one hole, you can like slay. You can slay them.
Mm.
Fish on. I think it's a red eye. Yeah, it's a red eye. Got a red eye today. I'm trying to do this without getting poked in the fingers. And would you stop moving, you bitch? Something chokes this today. I'm not getting it out. Alright, get it out of my finger. Yep. Red eye. Little guy. They've caught bigger before. And I'll probably throw over there again and catch one. All these minnows are pecking at it. Sorry, throw as close as you can to that brush pile. Yeah. Right here, right on the other side of it's where I caught that pike. Fish on. Ain't red eye.
Oh, same species, small and tiny.
Well, that's what I like to fish.
He's the guy who goes to the ocean and
Right, let him go. Little sunfish. You go ahead. No, I just like catching fish, man. I don't care what it is. There he is. Nice one. He's just spinning. Nice little sunfish. Oh, you bitch. Oh! Well, that's good. I'm done for today.
Why? Your pole just break?
Yeah, pole snapped in half.
Oh,
I'm about due for another one anyway. Well, that does it for today's video. For a little while. Pole snapped. This thing's been out in the sun for a little while. It's been dry rotted here lately. The reel's still good. I'm gonna buy me another pole, and we'll be good. But I was trying to get that rooster tail undone and snapped. But I've had this pole for a while now, like 4 years now, I think. I can't remember when the last time, because now they're red. They got a red one like this too, which I might end up trying to get that one. I think it's around $100, but we're going to do that. And but that'll do it for today. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. We'll see you. I'm going to try to do some more fishing tomorrow. I might go to Walmart and pick up another rod, but anyway, thanks everyone for watching. See y'all later.